somewhere. Ah, there it is. What's up, YouTube? I've been looking for you for a very long time. I don't know what happened, but shit, I just found my phone. So what do you say we get back to making some videos, huh? So quick update. Had some recent life changes, switched careers. Not really switched careers, but a new part of the industry, working on some bigger stuff. Now, this room, this mechanic room, is abandoned. It just looks cool, so I like to hang out here a lot. Sometimes, if everybody leaves before I do, I like to stay here. I like to sleep here. I bring a change of clothes. I just lay on the floor, take a nap, you know, just because the more I'm in here, the more information I'll absorb, right? That's how it works. We got all sorts of old stuff. Like, look at this thing right here. Look at that giant hunk of freaking metal, man. Look at that. Some sort of compressor. Massive, dude. See, this is what I'm into. This is some of the bigger stuff I'm into now. Now, one of the reasons that I haven't been making a whole lot of videos, not because I just found my phone in this pile of crap over here. That's not the reason. Part of the reason is because I'm still learning all this big stuff. So I figure I wanted to get a grasp on things, on this new part of the industry before I start releasing some videos. When I can. A lot of our customers don't really appreciate the whole video thing, so I may just throw in some videos just kind of showing some big stuff because it's interesting to me, explaining it. And I know there are some pretty smart guys out there watching, so I don't know. I can show you guys some stuff and you can explain it to me like this. I just learned about these the other day. Our low water level switches. Yeah, it's cool stuff, man. It really is cool stuff. You know, actually, let me flip this camera around and show you some of this stuff. Yeah, look over here. We got a big giant compressor. Not real sure what that is. That looks like a water pump of some sort. So maybe a pressure tank, maybe a storage tank. Yeah, not sure. Hey, if you guys know, leave a comment below. Some sort of steam something. I figured that out because it says steam right there, so you know, that makes me kind of smart. This old decommissioned boiler right here. I swear this thing's straight out of the 60s. Maybe 62, I think somebody said before. Hot oil. That reminds me, I gotta go in for a massage pretty soon. So anyway, guys, that's what I've been up to. Hope you guys have been good. It's good to see you again. I will be back shortly with some new material, all right, guys? So stick around.